Hi, I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. What do I do about a student who says their parents told them they can hit back? Well, they can't. We all know that. So one of my favorite scripts that I use all the time is "We're in school." I validate for the child because you're never going to win a battle if you try to convince them that their parent is wrong. It is their parent. They gave them life. Never forget that. So I say to the child, I say, "Oh, I understand now, but we're in school and that's not okay here." And I say the same thing to parents when they say, "I told my kid they could." Yep, but we're in school. I understand why you feel that way, but we're in school. It's not allowed, and we cannot let it happen here. And that's the best you can do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.